Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the H2Ocean Purified Ocean Salt Water. This is to be used for any kind of piercings. It's aftercare for your piercings. So it is sterile, it's sea salt, and it has lysozyme in it. It is an aerosol can, and it is 4 fluid ounces. I have quite a few piercings, and I use this after every piercing, and I've never had an issue with anything getting infected. I clean it religiously with this for like maybe 3 weeks after my piercing, or 3 to 5 weeks I would say. Just kind of depends on like when I feel like it's been completely healed. So this says H2Ocean Piercing Aftercare Spray is the most effective way to cleanse new body piercings. This patented formula, enhanced with natural enzymes, has over 82 trace elements and minerals essential for living cells. Use H2Ocean Piercing Aftercare Spray 3 to 6 times per day to help remove dried, discharge, and secretions safely. So yeah, it's very simple. The ingredients is purified water, sea salt, lysozyme, and sodium citrate, and that is literally it. The can itself is recyclable, and yeah, I really like this product. I've used it for my last like 4 piercings. I don't have that many piercings right now, but like things get taken out and they close, just like an FYI. Not anything against people who do have that many piercings, but yeah, I really like this aftercare product, and it was recommended to me by the person who did the piercing, and it's really great. It's great for all skin types. It keeps your piercing site sterile, and it's natural. It's got all natural ingredients. Like anything where I can read all of the ingredients, say all of the words, and it takes less than like 5 seconds to name all of the ingredients is really great because it's pretty natural. It doesn't have a ton of stuff, which is really nice. This lasts, I would say, using it maybe like 4 or 5 times a day, it lasts a month. So it lasts per piercing basically. I usually just spray it directly on. Sometimes I do use like a towelette, or sometimes I'll spray it on like a cotton swab depending on where the piercing is, and then use the cotton swab to kind of wipe around it. Yeah, and you could even use this on a tongue piercing. So that's another thing that just like proves how like natural this is that you can use it on a tongue piercing. So I don't have a tongue piercing, so I've never tried that, so I don't know what it would taste like, but just know that it is something that you can do. So go ahead and open this up, and like I said, it is a spray bottle, so I'll spray just a quick little spray. And yeah, it doesn't have much of a scent to it, which is really nice, and maybe that means that like if you spray it, if you do have a tongue piercing and you spray it, it's not going to taste like anything, which would be really great. It does also come in a smaller size, which is really nice. So I think you can get it in as small as a 1.5 ounce bottle, which is really nice because when you get a piercing, you're not home 24/7 for the next month. So you can take it with you, and you can take it with you to work or wherever you're going. And whenever you would do it during the day, you can run to the bathroom and just spray it real quick and you're good to go. So I really like that it has that travel size bottle. The travel size bottle looks exactly the same. It's just a little smaller. The 1.5 ounce I would say is maybe like, it's like less than half the size of this one. This is also gluten free, so if you do have a tongue piercing and you have a gluten allergy, this is going to be safe for you to spray on your tongue because it's gluten free. But yeah, I really love this product overall. It's just really great for healing, especially if your piercings are like prone to drying out. You don't want to use like tea tree oil or anything like that. This is really a great one, a great product for that, and I feel like it also just makes it heal quicker when I've used this versus when I haven't used it. I feel like my piercing heals a lot quicker, which is really nice. When you spray, I do think that it leaves a little bit of a residue around the piercing, but I mean, it's healed my piercing successfully, so that's like not a huge deal in my opinion. You could even use it on babies because it's so natural. So for people who like to get their babies like ears pierced, like I have a friend who used this on her 2-month-old and it worked great and it healed her piercing and there were no like side effects or anything like that. So yeah, highly recommend this if you are planning in the market for getting a piercing. I highly recommend this. It's going to heal your piercing faster and keep it sterile and clean. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.